Hi, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving little things on your website can get you more exposure on Google. You can actually outrank your competition and, of course, get more patients. So, first things first, I have your website below here, and the only thing I have to recommend is to add more content. And when I say content, I'm not just talking about the images, the icons. It's more about the words that you have. So if you include more words, you gotta be sure that you include keywords that you're gonna be found for. For example, chiropractor in Brooklyn, New York. That will be one keyword. It's perfectly fine, but I wouldn't suggest to be limited by just one keyword. So you can add different multiple keywords, but they have to be placed in specific areas of your website, especially the homepage. Same principle applies to the service pages and sub pages for that matter. I can see that you have a lot of information here, but let's take a look and see the back end of your website. Okay, so you're being found for 79 keywords, and this is where the content comes into play. Um, then you have 65 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google. Think about this like a popularity contest. The more people you get, you get to talk about your business in a positive way. The more relevant you become, the more relevant you're going to stay. So, that being said, it's not about how many links you have. It's most about the quality of them, because if you have links that are not relevant, are not powerful, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you want to be found for, this would be all for nothing. So your rating will stay down. So and I'll show you how that comes into place. Let's take a look and see the keywords that you're being found for really quick. And for example, this one, Chiropractor Brooklyn, there's 1,600 searches a month, and you're ranking on the second page, and you're getting barely 7 visits a month. Then you have this one in Spanish, there's 30 searches a month, but you're on the second page, but not even getting 1 visit because of that one. Brooklyn Chiropractor, another different keyword, but it's 200 searches a month, and you're on the second page. Oh, sorry, and again, not even getting 1 visit. So let's take a look and see who's ranking for that specific keyword. So when we go to Google, the first thing you're gonna notice is ads, and this comes to place also in the map section. So if your name is not here, that basically means that the chances for you to be here in these organic results are going to be really, really low. So if you have a profile, you have to make sure sure that it's optimized. And again, content is a very big factor into this. Then we have the organic results, like you were talking about. And on number 1, we have this is I think this is a directory for chiropractors, and then these guys, well adjusted nyc.com. And let's take a look and see why they're ranking number 2. If we open their website, they probably have just enough content. Yeah, because I don't see that much content, but it's doing just enough work for them to be ranking number 2. If we look on the back end of their website, let's see, they're being found for 232 keywords, and they only have 35 backlinks, and you can see that it's not really affecting them. So the good news for you is that they seem to be very easy to outrank if you put a lot more content, of course, that has the keywords that you're going to be, especially this one, Chiropractor Brooklyn, and you can see the results in a short period of time. But let's take a look and see the keywords that they're being found for. So Chiropractor Brooklyn, like we saw, 1,600 searches a month, and because they're ranking number 2, they're getting 246 visits straight to their website. That means that those could be around 200 patients that are looking for a chiropractor in Brooklyn. So Very important to understand, because you can take advantage of this information and actually put some work into your website, so you can be part of this traffic from these volume searches. You can get a piece of the pie over here. This one also, Chiropractor NYC, 3600 visits, searches a month, and they're ranking on almost on the second, actually third page, and they're getting 10 visits. So even they're ranking on the second, third page, is still getting some traffic to them. So if you add all these amounts a month, you can see that they're getting some reliable, in this case, searches, people that is searching for these services. So I don't want to take too much of your time. So really quick to recap, if you improve your content, including the keywords that you want to be found for, and if you're going to be running campaigns to give more power to your website, make sure that the links you're getting are good quality, relevant, and you'll start seeing the difference. Once again, my name is Alex. If you have any questions, please let us know. Our information will be attached to the email, and see you soon.